Sunlight is something we see and feel every day, but we rarely stop to think why day and night happen and why there are summers and winters. Today, let's understand this in a very simple, friendly, conversational way, just like someone close to you is explaining it calmly. First, let's talk about day and night. Many people think that it is day because the sun comes and night because the sun goes away. But the real truth is a little different. In reality, the sun stays almost in the same place. It is the Earth that is moving. The Earth keeps rotating on its own axis all the time. You can imagine this axis as an invisible straight line passing through the Earth, around which it keeps spinning. The Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one full rotation on its axis. When one part of the Earth faces the sun, sunlight falls on that area and it becomes day there. When the same part turns away from the sun, darkness spreads and it becomes night. This is why when it is day in our country, it is night in another part of the world. As the Earth keeps rotating, day and night keep changing. Now a question comes to mind, why do we see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west? This happens because the Earth rotates from west to east. Due to this rotation, the sun appears to move from east to west. In reality, the sun is not moving. The Earth is. That is why we see the daily scene of sunrise and sunset. Now let's come to the story of summer and winter, which is even more interesting. Seasons do not occur because the sun comes closer or goes farther away. The real reason is that the Earth is slightly tilted. The Earth is tilted on its axis by about 23 degrees, and this tilt is what creates seasons. When the Earth revolves around the sun, for some months, the northern part of the Earth tilts more toward the sun. During this time, the sun's rays fall more directly, giving more heat, and the days become longer. India lies in this northern part, which is why we feel intense heat during summer. As the Earth continues its journey around the sun, after a few months, the northern part tilts away from the sun. Now the sun's rays fall at an angle, not directly. Slanted rays produce less heat, so the temperature drops and cold increases. This is winter. So winter does not happen because the sun becomes weaker. It happens because its light does not reach us directly. The length of days and nights is also connected to this. In summer, the sun stays in the sky longer, so days are long and nights are short. In winter, the sun is visible for a shorter time, so days are short and nights are long. If the Earth were perfectly straight and not tilted at all, we would probably not experience such strong summers or winters.